Hello friends, welcome to your channel. Friends, according to Android documentation, we should use data store instead of shared preferences. Data store overcomes many drawbacks of shared preferences. Data store has two types. One is preferences data store and the other is proto data store. In this video, we will see preferences data store. Preferences data store is kind of simple, which we will use in this video in place of shared preferences. First, we need dependency. Go to app level build.gradle file. I have given the dependency in the description. libs.androidx.datastore.preferences. Then click on sync now. Here in this activity, to access XML file, I am using view binding. If you do not know how to use view binding, you could check my video on view binding. I have given the link of the video on description and in I button. In the main activity XML file, I have created a text view to display name, then a edit text name value and a button save name. In this package where main activity is there, we will create a Kotlin class application pref. In the constructor, we will pass the context. Here first, we will create an instance of data store, private val context.datastore:data store and in generics preferences. By preferences data store, in constructor, we need to pass the name as we were doing in case of shared preferences. Any name you could pass. I am using local_data store. Now we will create two methods. First method save string pref with two parameters string key and string value context.datastore.edit curly brackets it index operator. Inside index operator we need to pass the key, but we cannot pass the key directly because here we want to store string values, so we are using string preferences key and in parameters passing the key. If you want to store int value, then you need to use int preferences key here and then assign the value. Here we have added suspend keyword before the function. This will make this function asynchronous. It will run without blocking the main thread. Suspend functions are center of coroutines. We will create second function get string pref. In the parameter pass the key. It will return string. Return context.datastore.data.map it index operator string preferences key and in the parameter passing the key. Its return type is flow, so at the end we need to use first. Now in the main activity we are creating an instance of application pref class. On clicking the button we will get the name from the edit text, store it in preferences data store. We will retrieve the value from the preferences data store and display it in the text view. In the main activity, binding.saveValue button set on click lister. If edit text is not empty, we are getting the name from the edit text. Now to save the name, we need to call save string preference method. Because save string preference function is a suspend function, so we could call it either from another suspend function or coroutine. Here after text dot toString, edit text name value dot text dot toString. We need to add coroutine dependency in app level build.gradle file libs.kotlinx.coroutines.android. I have given the dependency in description also. Now click on sync now button. In the main activity val scope coroutine scope and in the parameter dispatchers.main scope.launch inside curly brackets called save string preferences method passing the key and value. In the name text view text we are setting from preferences get string pref and in the parameter passing the key name. Then we are clearing the edit text name value dot text dot clear. Now I will run the app in my real mobile device. In the edit text I have typed a name. Then on clicking save name button, name is displaying in the text view. Type a different name and click save name button. If you find this video helpful, please give a like. Do subscribe to the channel to keep watching my videos. See you in another video. Till then, bye and take care.